What is up, guys? It's your boy Austinated here, and today we're talking about making serious bank. The kind that'll make your friends think you're pulling a prank. We're diving deep into the secrets of raking in cash part-time. Get ready to have your minds blown as we break down the 5 essential factors to catapult your income. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's unlock the secrets to making so much money people will think you're lying. Let's do this. Alright guys, let's dive into the first factor, finding a suffering sector. A suffering sector is a group of people facing a major problem they're desperate to solve and willing to pay good money to fix. Think about it. The biggest businesses out there all solve a problem. People are always looking for solutions, whether it's a faster way to get around, a better way to learn a new language, or even a tastier way to eat their vegetables. The key is to find a sector that's really hurting, because the bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. We're talking about problems that keep people up at night, problems they talk about with their friends, problems they're actively searching for solutions to online. For example, if you're amazing at coding, focus on a sector that's booming but struggling to find skilled developers. Maybe it's online education, healthcare technology, or the latest social media app. By zeroing in on a suffering sector, you're not just offering a service, you're providing a lifeline. You become the go-to person, the problem solver, the one everyone's willing to pay top dollar for. So how do you find these golden opportunities? Start by looking around you. What are people complaining about? What are they struggling with? What are the pain points in your own life? Once you've got a few ideas, head online and do some research. Check out forums, social media groups, and online communities related to your potential sectors. So, you've found a suffering sector. Awesome! But hold your horses, because we're not done yet. Factor number 2 is all about market demand. We're talking about tapping into a massive pool of potential customers ready to throw money at your solution. Think of it like this. You could have the most delicious ice cream in the world, but if you're trying to sell it in the middle of a snowstorm, you're not going to get many takers. On the other hand, set up shop on a scorching summer day at the beach, and you'll be scooping up profits faster than you can say brain freeze. The same goes for your side hustle. You need to make sure there's enough demand for your product or service to actually make a killing. The bigger the pool of potential customers, the higher your earning potential. The severity of the problem directly impacts how much people are willing to pay. Think about it. If you've got a headache, you might pop a couple of aspirin and call it a day. But if you're dealing with a serious health issue, you wouldn't hesitate to shell out thousands for the right treatment. So, when you're evaluating market demand, ask yourself, how painful is the problem I'm solving? How desperate are people for a solution? The more critical the issue, the higher the price tag you can command. For example, if you're a graphic designer specializing in high-converting landing pages, a small business owner might pay a few $100s. But a multi-million-dollar company will gladly fork over thousands for a landing page optimized to bring in massive sales. By targeting the right market with a high-demand solution, you can skyrocket your earning potential. Do your research, analyze the competition, and make sure you're tapping into a market that's hungry for a solution and willing to pay a premium for it. Let's talk about factor number 3, value-based pricing. This is where things get interesting, because we're ditching the hourly rate mindset and stepping into a world where you charge what you're truly worth. Forget about trading hours for dollars. It's time to start pricing based on the value you bring to the table. Think about it. Would you rather earn $50 an hour or $5,000 for a project that takes you 10 hours to complete? The math is simple, right? Value-based pricing is all about shifting your focus from how long it takes you to do something to the actual results you deliver. People don't care about your time. They care about their own problems and how you're going to solve them. They're willing to pay a premium for solutions that save them time, money, or stress. So instead of undervaluing your skills and charging peanuts, start thinking about the real impact you're making. For example, If you're a business coach helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses to 6 figures and beyond, you could package your services into a high-ticket coaching program. This program delivers massive value, guiding clients, holding them accountable, and helping them achieve life-changing results. Instead of charging a few $100, you can confidently charge several $1,000s for this transformative experience. When you're delivering exceptional value, price becomes less of an issue. People are happy to invest in solutions that get them the results they crave. Let's talk about factor number 4, recurring revenue models. We're talking about building a system where the money keeps flowing in, month after month. Imagine this. You put in the work once, create an amazing product or service, and then it just keeps generating income, even while you sleep. That's the power of recurring revenue. It's like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruit, year after year. So how do you create this magical money-making machine? There are a few different approaches. One popular option is the subscription model. Think Netflix, Spotify, or even your gym membership. People pay a recurring fee to access your content, services, or products on an ongoing basis. Another approach is to offer ongoing support or maintenance packages. For example, if you're a website designer, you could offer monthly maintenance plans that include updates, security checks, and technical support. Recurring revenue models provide stability and predictability. You're not constantly hustling for new clients or worrying about where your next paycheck is coming from. Instead, you've got a steady stream of income flowing in, allowing you to focus on growth, innovation, and maybe even taking a well-deserved vacation. When designing your side hustle, think about how you can incorporate recurring revenue streams. It's a game changer that can take your income to the next level. Let's dive into the 5th and final factor: content creation and monetization. You all know I'm a huge fan of YouTube. It's an incredible platform for building an audience, sharing your message, and making some serious cash. But content creation isn't just about making videos. It's about creating valuable, engaging content that attracts an audience and keeps them coming back for more. Whether it's blog posts, podcasts, social media updates, or email marketing, content is king. Once you've got an audience hooked on your content, it's time to monetize that attention. There are countless ways to do it. You can sell your own products or services, promote affiliate products, or generate revenue through advertising. On YouTube, those ads that play before, during, or after videos generate revenue for creators. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can earn. But you need to create content that people actually want to watch. No one wants to sit through a boring, low-quality video, no matter how many ads you slap on it. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Think about what people are searching for on YouTube, what problems they're trying to solve, and what kind of entertainment they're looking for. Once you understand your audience, you can create content that resonates with them and keeps them coming back for more. And there you have it. The 5 factors that can help you make so much money part-time, people will think you're lying. Remember, it's all about finding a suffering sector, tapping into market demand, pricing based on value, creating recurring revenue streams, and leveraging the power of content creation and monetization. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Share this video with your friends who are ready to level up their income game. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video.